Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase vulnerability management with Rapid7 step-by-step clearly. Begin by assessing your current vulnerability management process. Identify the tools and resources in use. Understand the strengths and weaknesses of your existing system. Next, integrate Rapid7's Insight VM platform. Begin by creating an account on the Rapid7 website. Log in and set up your organization's profile. Once your profile is complete, connect Insight VM to your existing network. Use the provided API keys for seamless integration. Next, scan your network for vulnerabilities. Schedule regular scans to ensure comprehensive coverage. After scans are complete, review the generated reports. Focus on the high and critical vulnerabilities first. Utilize Insight VM's risk scoring to prioritize vulnerabilities. Assess the potential impact of each vulnerability on your organization. Collaborate with your IT and security teams to develop a remediation plan. Assign tasks based on prioritized vulnerabilities. Use Insight VM to track progress on remediation efforts. Monitor compliance with established security policies. Schedule follow-up scans to verify remediation effectiveness. Utilize the dashboard features for real-time visibility into your vulnerability landscape. Regularly review and adjust your vulnerability management strategy based on emerging threats. Consider leveraging Insight VM's integrations with other security tools. Engage in continuous training for your team on vulnerability management best practices. Finally, document your processes and results for future reference. By following these steps, you will enhance your vulnerability management with Rapid7 effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.